In this episode, we're talking about the concrete floor. The concrete floor in a Canadian house, what makes it different than a concrete floor in a Romanian house or any other house for that matter. Well, let's back up a little bit. Before we can put the floor, we must take and put the soil back in around the foundation. It must be compacted. And then what we do is put some stone under the floor and put a layer of insulation. You can see here the guys are putting heating pipes in. Before you put heating pipes, you must first insulate so we don't lose the heat going out into the ground. In order to place those pipes, we need something to tie them to, and so we put down plaster, reinforcing steel, which will add some strength to the concrete and will also give us a place to fasten the heating pipes. Now, Johnny, that's really no different than most concrete floors you would find in a Romanian house, is it?
Usually it's actually the same, but the only differences could be the insulation under the floor, which is not used everywhere in Romania, and the second one is heating system.
Așadar, am aflat care este elementul cheie atunci când vorbim despre podeaua unei locuințe Super E, și anume sistemul de încălzire care se fixează în podea. Acesta este creat astfel încât, spre exemplu, în zona în care va fi construită cămara, podeaua să nu fie încălzită. Deci, doamnelor, nu trebuie să vă faceți griji. Bunătățile pregătite pentru iarnă vor fi în siguranță. Țevile de apă caldă sunt amplasate la o distanță de 30 de centimetri una față de cealaltă, astfel încât nu veți fi nevoiți să vă mai cumpărați papuci de rezervă pentru musafiri. Odată cu realizarea podelei, se instalează și sistemul de apă și canalizare.
First of all, energy efficiency is very important. As the cost of utilities increase, we must think more about building houses ecological. Not just economical and efficient, but ecological, so we're not wasting heat. Now, if we don't put insulation under that floor, we're losing about 25% of our heat down through the floor. And so that's a big expense to add the insulation under the floor. Why we put the heat in the floor? Because some people are afraid, oh, what if the pipe breaks in the floor? Heaven forbid. Well, maybe you're there changing your house and you drive a nail through the concrete into the pipe. It's not a problem. You break open an area, we repair the pipe, there's a tool which puts a coupling in, and you put the concrete back over it. Mai departe. Why is in-floor heating so good and the best system you can use? It's because you heat the floor and it becomes a large infrared heating system, which makes your feet the same temperature as your head. You know, why not use radiators? Well, radiators, by the time the air comes past the radiator, the ceiling is nice and warm up there, but where your feet are is cold. And this way the kids can play on the floor and they're nice and warm, and you can go without papucci. You can throw your papucci out the window and you have nice warm feet.
O podea încălzită înseamnă în același timp o economie consistentă, pentru că astfel veți utiliza cu până la 50% mai puțină energie și în același timp veți cheltui mai puțin bani. Construcția unei astfel de podele nu durează mai mult de o zi. Am văzut deci care este diferența dintre podeaua unei locuințe canadiene Super E și cea a unei case tradiționale românești. În episodul următor veți vedea cum se construiesc pereții exteriori.
So that's how we build the floor for a Canadian house. Not much different than a Romanian house. In fact, you could do exactly what we've done here in any house in the world, and that is insulate it well under the floor and then put floor heating pipes in and heat your floor in order to be more comfortable and to cost you less money to heat the same house and save a lot of money over time. So comfort and efficiency.
Thank you, Brian.